Have you ever looked at an Excel sheet and felt it looked messy and hard to read? A simple trick called indentation can instantly make your data look clean, structured, and professional. In this video, I'll show you how to indent text in Excel in just a few seconds. Welcome to Smart HR, the channel where we share Excel tips, HR tools, and career skills to help you work smarter and grow faster. If you want to improve your workplace skills, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get started. Indentation simply means moving text slightly to the right inside a cell. It helps organize data visually, especially when you're working with lists, team structures, or hierarchical information in Excel. Let's see how to do it. First, click on the cell where you want to indent the text. For example, let's select the cell that contains the name Joan. Next, go to the Home tab on the Excel ribbon. Inside the Alignment group, look for the button called Increase Indent. You'll recognize it by the icon with an arrow pointing to the right. Click it once and you'll see the text move slightly to the right. If you click it again, the text moves further to the right. This allows you to adjust the indentation level exactly how you want. You don't have to apply indentation one cell at a time. Simply select multiple cells, then click Increase Indent. Excel will apply the indentation to all selected cells at once, saving you time. If you want to reduce or remove the indentation, the process is just as easy. Select the cell with indented text, go to the Home tab, and click Decrease Indent. You'll see an arrow pointing to the left. Each click moves the text back toward the left until the indentation is completely removed. And that's how you can quickly indent text in Excel to make your spreadsheets more organized and easier to read. If you found this tip helpful, like the video and subscribe to Smart HR for more Excel tips and workplace skills. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.